Okay, so I've been wanting to put together a map of the United States that really highlights the various regions. For this first particular map, I'm going to focus on the New England area. Over the next few modules, I'm going to be creating this map. Now, I urge you to select a different region. It doesn't have to be a region of the United States, just some kind of collection of countries or provinces or states somewhere around the world, and you'll be able to follow along with these tutorials, and you won't be focusing on pulling the same geodata that I am. You're going to focus more on creating your own map, which is going to help you learn a lot faster. So I've already set up my map comp here, and I have the Bing aerial imagery. I've navigated to the New England area. Now I need to go find some geodata so I can draw out these map features. Up here, you have the search bar. This is where you can do keyword searches. So I'm going to go look for one of the states of New England, which is Maine. So I have a handful of options now, and these are actually categorized by two different sources. If you look up here at the top, this one says Natural Earth, and then down here, this is essentially OpenStreetMap. These are the two main sources where you'll be pulling geodata from when using GeoLayers. That is, unless you have a premium MapTiler account, then MapTiler will also show up here. As I mouse over a selection, it's going to give you a preview down below on the map. I also have a symbol showing the geometry type. Here, this is a polygon, but if you scroll down, you can see I have some points as well. And then over here, we have these 4 different buttons. These are just quick tools. You can add labels. You can quickly draw it out directly here from the search result. I'm going to click on Add to Browser. So this brings it down here. This is what's called your feature browser. And you want to add geodata to your feature browser because it opens up all these additional tools down here. These are called feature actions. Another way to search is via coordinate, and this is when you double click directly on your map preview here, and now you can see it's bringing up a bunch of different natural earth data, and these are actually data sets. You can see you can download the whole country polygon, you can download all the inner boundaries, you can download, this is a feature collection, so this is a feature collection of all the states and provinces of the United States. So it's not only showing us individual pieces of geodata, but it's also showing us these data sets that we can download. And it's also showing us New Hampshire. So if I just grab New Hampshire here, you'll also notice that as I double click, you can download the actual coordinate as well. And I actually use this feature all the time. I'll talk about that later. So New England consists of 6 different states. Now I could manually search these one by one and add them to the browser, or I could manually just double click and grab them this way. A much faster way is to simply download the data set. So as I double clicked here, you can once again see this data set for the USA, all the states and provinces. So I'm going to add this to the browser, and this is what's called a feature collection. So it's a collection of different polygons here, or data items. You can see the little folder icon here, and I can actually open it up here, and I'm going to full screen this. Now you can see I have all of the states.